This video affects all the owners and directors of Cyprus companies, as we're going to talk about the most heavy, the most important taxes that you should pay attention to and you should always seek to comply with in order to avoid significant penalties. So, the first most important tax that you need to pay attention to is, of course, the VAT. VAT taxation is crucial and very severe, as any failure to pay the VAT liability carries an instant 10% penalty plus interest. So if you were meant to pay, let's say, 50,000 of VAT and you have omitted to do so, instantly your VAT liability is 55,000, you get a 10% penalty and interest until the day you pay it. So VAT is number one. Then is social security. Social securities here in Cyprus, even though they are the lowest in Europe, they carry severe penalties and you need to pay attention to them. Social security's penalties vary from 2% to 27%, and if you do not, and if they are incremental month on month. So please pay attention. Make sure that all your employees are, of course, registered for social securities, and every month you're paying your employer's contribution and you deduct your employees' social security contribution. After social securities, we have the corporation tax penalty, but this is a bit less than the VAT, of course, because it's on the actual corporation amount due. So the corporation tax carries a 10% penalty if you do not prepay it on the year that is applicable. Lots of our clients don't quite understand this, and we have many videos explaining how it works. But since we're running this video, I'm going to explain this once again. Cyprus companies need to prepay their corporation tax every year. So if we're now in 2023, your corporation tax needs to be prepaid for 2023 in July and December. The way to do so is to calculate based on a budget basis, on a forecast basis, how much you're expecting your 2023 taxable profit to be, and you slice that into 2 equal installments and you prepay it in July and in December. Of course, like any other jurisdiction, you will not lose money by overpaying corporation tax, as corporation tax is there and it can be offset against future taxes, or in Cyprus even against VAT liabilities. If you omit to pay the corporation tax, then you will be taxed a 10% penalty on the tax due. So if for 2023 your corporation tax is 100,000 and you don't prepay 50,050 or 40,040, you need to prepay at least 75% of the year-end audited taxation amount. Then a 10% will accrue and your 100,000 worth of corporation tax penalty will become 110,000 corporation tax. And of course, if you forget to pay it, or if your accounts are not in good order, interest will also apply at the applicable income tax rates. So pay attention, prepay your corporation tax on time, always pay your VAT on time, never leave any social securities unpaid, always have your employees registered for social securities so that you save a lot of money on taxes and you can enjoy your lifestyle. And since we're talking in Cyprus, in beautiful destinations like this one. Lots of informative videos and lots of articles in our YouTube channel, Cyprus Accountants Academy, and of course on our website, cyprusaccountants.com.cy. Check the Knowledge Center, where we write weekly articles about taxes, corporate matters, and any other matters that affect you or are important for you as a director or shareholder of Cyprus companies. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.